Namaste, beautiful people. I'm Liel Cheri, and I'm so delighted to welcome you to this 7-day morning yoga rise and shine. Let's ignite the first day of our new week with awesome vibes and good energy. Ready? Let's begin. Let's begin this practice in cross-legged seated position. Begin to wiggle side to side, rooting your sitting bones deep down into the earth. Lengthen out of your crown and place your hands to rest on your knees. Go ahead and close your eyes. Take a deep, long inhale in through your nose. Hold your breath. Open mouth, exhale, side out. Relax your shoulders. One more, just like that, awakening our breath. Inhale, fill up your belly. Fill up your lungs. Hold your breath a little bit longer. Now open mouth, side out. Letting go of everything that doesn't serve us for this practice. Gently open your eyes. Inhale, sweep your arms up to the sky, lots of energy in your fingers. Look up, connect your palms. Exhale, plug the hands to your heart. Inhale, reach your arms up, gathering all the energy around us. Exhale, plug this energy right into your heartbeat. One more, just like that. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Again, close your eyes for a moment and take this opportunity to set in intention for the day ahead of you. Whatever is your heart desire, ask whatever you want to receive today. Now, with your intention, breathe in. Open mouth, release your intention to the universe. Blink your eyes to open. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, let's find a twist. Twist to the left, the right hand, left knee, lift fingers back behind you. Inhale, lengthen up through the spine. Exhale, gaze over your left shoulder and twist. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, twist to the right, left hand, right knee. Inhale to find length. Exhale, twist a bit deeper. One more each side. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, twist to the left. Breathe in to find length. Breathe out to find depth in your twist. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist deeper. Inhale, reach your arms up. This time, exhale, ground your right hand down to the mat. Bring your left arm overhead. Lengthen out of your waist. Breathe into your left side body. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, reach both of the arms up. Exhale, switch left hand down, right arm overhead. Lengthen out of your waist. Take a breath in and out. Inhale, reach both of the arms up. One more on each side. Exhale, right hand down. Maybe this time walk your right fingers a little bit further away to find a deeper side body opening. Breathe in and out. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, left hand down. Again, walk the fingers maybe a little bit further away. Take a breath in and out. Inhale, reach both of the arms up. Exhale, bring the hands to your heart. Hinge forward. Let's make our way to all fours. Find a tabletop position. Hips over knees, shoulders over wrists. Spread the fingertips nice and wide, moving through some spinal flexion. Awakening our spine. Inhale, deep the belly down, bring the gaze up, cow pose. Exhale, cat pose. Curl the tailbone under, chin to chest, round your upper back. Inhale, cow, open your heart, arch your lower back. Exhale, cat, contract your core, round your upper back. Inhale, cow, opening the heart. Exhale, cat, contract, push the earth away. Let's move with the breath. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. One more cycle. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Back to neutral spine. Walk your hands slightly forward. Your index finger pointing forward. Tuck your toes under. Downward facing dog. Glide your sitting bones high and up. Keep a generous bend in your knees. I want you to find a lot of length through the spine as you're completely relaxing your head and neck, and push the shoulders away from your ears. Let's begin to awakening our entire body. Bend your right knee, press your left heel down to the earth, and then switch. Moving with the breath, switch right knee and left knee. Right knee and left knee. Breathing into your sensations. Noticing how you feel right now. One more breath. And then find complete stillness in your downward facing dog. Come high to your tippy toes, bend the knees, chest to your thighs. Take a breath in. And as you exhale, try to send your heels down towards the earth. The heels doesn't have to touch the mat. On the inhale, sweep your right heel up high, single leg down dog. As you exhale, look forward, step the right foot in between the hands. If you need help here, grab your right ankle, bring that foot forward. Drop your left knee down. Inhale, crescent moon, sweep the arms up. Exhale, sink your hips nice and low. Notice the sensation in your left hip flexor. Relax your shoulders. Keep sinking low. Take a breath in and out. Look down, ground your hands. Send your hips back. Straighten the right leg and flex the toes towards your face. Engage your core here. Inhale, find length in your spine. Exhale, bow over your right leg. Relax and breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Rebend into the right knee. Tuck your left toes under and step your left foot to the front of your mat, both feet to touch. Inhale, halfway, hands comes to your shin bones. Gaze forward, navel in and up. Exhale, fold forward, bend the knees to ground the hands down to the mat. Let go of your head and neck. Begin to roll up to standing, one vertebra at a time. As you inhale, sweep your arms all the way skyward, look up. Exhale, bring the hands to your heart. Inhale, reach the arms up, open your heart. Exhale, forward fold, hinge from your hips, lead with your chest. Look down, ground your hands, bend the knees if you need to, weight into your toes. Inhale, halfway, lengthen your spine. Exhale, ground your hands and step your feet to the back of your mat. Find a plank pose, shoulders over your wrist. Push the earth away, round your upper back. Gaze forward, breathe for 3, 2, and 1. Drop your knees down, begin to bend your elbows, coming all the way down to the belly. Push the earth away, coming halfway into baby cobra. Squeeze the elbows to your side body. Gaze in front of you. Take a breath in. And as you exhale, lower down. Tuck your toes under. Push the earth away. Lift your sitting bones high and up. Back to downward facing dog. Take one cycle of breath here. Inhale, sweep your left heel up high. Single leg, down dog. Look forward, and as you exhale, step your left foot in between your hands. Drop your right knee down. Inhale, with both of the arms up, crescent moon. Exhale, sink your hips nice and low. Breathe into your right hip flexor. Inhale. Go a little bit deeper. Exhale. Ground both of your hands down. Send the hips to the back. Straighten the left leg and flex your foot. Inhale, lengthen through your spine. Exhale, fold forward. Take one cycle of breath. Inhale. Exhale. Rebend into the left knee. Tuck your right toes under. Step your right foot to the front of your mat, both feet to touch. Inhale, long spine, hands to your shin bones. Navel in and up. Exhale, fold forward. Ground your hands to the mat. Inhale, roll up to standing mountain pose. Reach your arms up. Look up. Exhale, bring the hands to your heart. Lots of energy here. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, hinge from the hips, fold forward. Uttanasana, relax your head and neck. Inhale, halfway, long spine, glance out. Exhale, ground your hands, step both of the feet to the back of your mat. Plank, round your upper back, push the earth away. Hold, 3, 2, 1. Lower your knees down, begin to bend your elbows, and then lower all the way down to your belly. Untuck your toes. Push the earth away, come halfway into baby cobra. Try to bring the chest through the upper arms. Relax the shoulders away from your ears. Breathe in. Lower all the way down as you breathe out. Tuck your toes under, downward facing dog. Push the earth away. Glide your sitting bones high and up. Take a full cycle of breath. Inhale. Exhale. Next inhale, bring your gaze forward. And as you exhale, walk your feet to the front of your mat. Maintain your feet hip distance apart. Bend the knees a lot, grab the opposite elbows, ragdoll position. Let go of your head and neck completely and shift all of your weight to the balls of your feet. And begin to sway side to side. Awakening the back of our legs and our lower back. Breathing into our sensations. Full breath in. And out. Let go of your grip. Heel to your feet to touch. Inhale, chair pose. Bend your knees a lot. Sink your bum low and sweep the arms in front of you. Relax your shoulders. Engage your core. Shift all the weight into your heels. Take a breath in. And out. Plug the hands to your heart. Inhale. Exhale, fold forward. Uttanasana, ground the hands to the mat. Relax your head and neck. Inhale, halfway. Lengthen, long spine, look up. Exhale, ground your hands. Step the feet to the back of your mat. Plank pose. Lower your knees down. This time, begin to lower halfway down as you're hugging the ribs with your elbows. Chaturanga push-up. Untuck your toes. Inhale, straighten the arms and lift your knees off the mat. Upward facing dog. Breathe in. Tuck your toes under. Downward facing dog. Breathe out. Inhale. Sweep the right heel up high. Single leg down dog. Exhale, step your right foot in between your hands and ground your left heel down. Inhale, rise all the way up. Warrior one, arms overhead. Exhale, sink nice and low. Square the hips. Relax your shoulders. Take a breath in and out. Look down, ground your hands. Step back to plank pose. Lower the knees down. Lower halfway down, hugging the ribs with the elbows. Upward facing dog, lift up. Inhale. Downward facing dog. Exhale. Right away, lift heel up high. Inhale, single leg down dog. Exhale, step the foot in between your hands. Ground your right heel down, 45-degree angle. Inhale, lift all the way up, warrior one. Exhale, sink nice and low. Relax the shoulders and ground the outer edge of your right foot firmly into the mat. Take a breath in and out. Look down, ground your hands, step back to plank. Lower your knees down, lower halfway down, chaturanga. Upward facing dog, lift yourself up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a full deep cycle of breath. Inhale. Open mouth, exhale, side out. Lower down to your knees. Sink your sitting bones on top of your heels and rest your hands on top of your thighs. Close your eyes. Take a breath in and out. Plug the hands to your heartbeat. Find your beautiful heart pumping for you. Fill up with gratitude for showing up for yourself, for moving your body, for igniting your breath. And allow this beautiful, pure morning energy to carry you through the entire of your day. With grateful heart, breathe in. Open mouth, release your gratitude to the universe. Open your eyes and high five, my friends. Good job. So here you go, energizing Monday. I wish you this beautiful morning energy to be with you the entire of your day. If you did enjoy this practice, leave me a comment down below with the hashtag Rise and Shine and let me know how are you feeling after this practice. Don't forget to like this video and also share it with your friends. I wish you a beautiful, happy, energizing day. From my heart to yours, namaste. I'll see you again tomorrow.